Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone error app integrity could not be verified. If you are using any iPhone and you're facing this type error that whenever you try to install any app on your iPhone, you see a pop-up error that its integrity could not be verified. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to go back from here and you have to make sure that you have a stable and strongest network connection. It might be your Wi-Fi or cellular data. You can also try to switch between your Wi-Fi and cellular data, or you can try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times to make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Then go back from here, open your settings app and go to general, go to VPN and device management, and you just have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. If you're connected to any kind of VPN, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting your VPN, just go back from here and here go to software update. You just have to make sure that your software is up to date. There's no any pending update for your software. After updating your software, you have to go back from here and go to App Store. So in App section, select App Store, and here you have to make sure that all the settings are enabled for your App Store, and you have to also check for app downloads, which is set to always allow. If you're setting any option from this both, you have to select always allow. Then go back from here and go to screen time section. Go to content and privacy restrictions and disable all the restrictions from here. After doing this, you have to simply go back and here you have to also try to reset your network settings. So go for your general section here. Just scroll down and look for transfer reset iPhone. Select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then select reset network settings from the confirmation message pop-up. So it will reset all of your network settings. If there will be any issue with your iPhone network setting, it will be fixing this step and you'll not get the issue again. Or sometimes it might be that there will be any junk or any malware with your iPhone. So you can easily fix that by opening your app section again and go to Safari browser settings. Because your junks are downloaded in your Safari browser settings, so you have to go to Safari, select that, and here just scroll down and look for clear history and website data. Just select this option, then select this clear option after selecting all history. So it will clear all the website data and the junk files from your iPhone. Then go back and go to general section here, go to iPhone storage, and you just have to make sure that you have almost 10 to 15 GB free with your iPhone storage to download, install, and run any app smoothly. So after doing this setting, you have to try to make a force restart with your iPhone, and now to do that, you have to quickly press on its volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button, and wait for your phone until its screen goes to the black. And here, once you find the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. So after restarting, you just have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you have to try to reinstall the app using your app store. So if you're trying to install the app from any other website or any other downloaded file, so you have to try to reinstall the app from your browser or from your app store. Let's say I'm gonna open my app store here. Just look for the app which you want to install. You can easily use the search option to search for that app and then tap on the get option to download or install any app without any error. So in this way, you can easily fix your iPhone app installation error. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.